俺はお前を否定したかった。ただお前を殺す。また新しい呪いとして生まれたらそいつも殺す。名前を変えても姿を変えても何度でも殺す。俺が死んで何百年も経った後なのかもしれない。錆びつくまで呪いを殺し続ける。
助けてあげようか、真人。
You fought well out there, but you should be very proud of the time you spent together as a team. We may have lost, but I believe that someday you'll look back on this match and know it wasn't a waste. Whatever anyone else says, as far as I'm concerned, Ichinan is the best damn soccer team!
No, we're a team that didn't make it to nationals because we lost in the prefectural qualifier. And I'm just an unknown second-year forward on that team. That's the reality. What if? When I saw he was open, I hadn't passed, but taken the shot instead. Would that have changed the game? And maybe my whole life. Remember, it's one for all, and all for one. You can't do it alone.
You can't possibly become the world's best unless you're also the world's biggest egoist.
The things this guy is saying.
Which is why we're all here. So I can create a player who has what it takes.
It can't be right.
Someone who will climb atop 299 corpses. A solitary hero. Now pass through and be transformed. Discard your common sense. Remember, out there on the field, you're the star.
This is the opposite of everything I've been taught.
Nothing should bring you more joy than your own goals. Live only for that glorious moment. And if you can't, then you're no striker at all.